Hello everyone, welcome to Tricky Math. Today we are going to learn about Roman numerals. First we have to know what are the Roman numerals. Actually in ancient days Romans were used English alphabets to write the Roman numbers. There are 7 basic numerals. Those are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. The value of Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic system, value of I is 1, value of V is 5, X is 10, value of L is 50, value of C is 100, value of D is 500, value of M is 1000. How many basic symbols are there in Roman numeral system? There are 7 basic symbols in Roman numeral system. From these 7 numerals, by using these 7 Roman numerals, we will build up other numbers. Actually, there is no symbol in Roman numeral system. There is no symbol for 0. For 0, there is no Roman number. There is no symbol. To write the remaining numbers, some rules are there. There are some rules to form a Roman numerals. Let us learn. First rule, numerals. Out of 7 basic symbols, I, V, X, L, C, D, M, out of 7, I, X, C and M, these 4 numerals only can be repeated maximum 3 times only. I, X, C and M only repeated up to 3 times only. This is the first rule. See, repetition. Repetition means addition. Okay, na? Repetition of Roman numeral means addition. Let us see one example. Here I is repeating na 1, 2, 3 times. As I said, repetition means addition. What is the value of I? Value of I is 1. Value of this I is 1. Value of this I is 1. So repetition means add. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Let us go for another example. One more letter, one more alphabet, one more Roman symbol also repeated. What is that? X. So here I have written X and X. Yes, it is also repeating. See, 2 times X, X. What is the value of X? 10. This value of this X is also 10. As I said, repeated. Here X is repeating 2 times na. Repetition means plus. 10 plus 10 is 20. Let us go for another example. One more letter, C. Let us take C. C, C, C. How many times it is repeating? 3 times. What is the value of C? Value of C is 100. This value is 100. Value of this C is also 100. Repetition means addition. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. One more letter, that is M. Here I have taken M 2 times. 1000. Value of M is 1000. Value of M is 1000. Repeating. Here M is repeating 2 times. 1000 plus 1000 is 2000. Okay, sir? Out of 7 letters, only these 4 letters only repeating. Can be repeated up to 3 times only. Maximum 3 times only. Repetition means addition. Okay, now remember this point. Now, in this rule only, one more concept. Numerals cannot be repeated more than 3 times. As I said in first rule, these letters can be repeated up to 3 times only na. Cannot be repeated more than 3 times. It means, see here, 4. Can you write 4 like this? No, we cannot write. See here, how many times it is repeating? I. How many times it is? 4 times only. As I said, I repeated only 3 times only na. Cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So it is wrong. We cannot write like this. We can write 4 as IV only. This is correct. Okay, now don't write 4 like this. 4 can be written as IV only. It is correct. One more. Numerals V, L and D cannot be repeated. Numerals I, X, C, M can be repeated maximum 3 times only. Cannot be repeated more than 3 times. But remaining letters, what are the remaining? V, L and D. This I, X, C, M can be repeated. What are the remaining? See children here, I, X, C, M can be repeated. What are the remaining? V, L, D. These cannot be repeated. Numerals V, L and D cannot be repeated. It means, see, 10. Can you write like this? Yes, we can write. Already as I said, 10 X. Yes, we can write 10 as X. But we cannot write 10 as VV. Because of V cannot be repeated, na? Can you write like this? No, we cannot write because of we cannot repeat V more than 1 time. Okay, na? It is wrong. 10 can be written as X only. 10 cannot be written VV. Now, second rule. Smaller numeral written to the right of a greater numeral is always added to the greater numeral. It means, see, for example, I have taken here 3 examples. Xi. In these two, what is the value of X? Value of X is 10. What is the value of I? Is 1. Here I have written smaller numeral to the right side of the greater. I is smaller, X is greater. If you write a smaller value to the right side of greater value, it should be added to greater value. That means 10 plus 1 is 11. Let us go for another example. Vi. In these two, what is the value of V? Value of V is 5. Value of I is 1. In these two, what is big? What is small? Which one is smaller? Which one is greater? Yes, 5 is greater, 1 is smaller. See, here we have written smaller value to the right side of greater value. It means we should add. Okay, now what is the rule 2? If you write a smaller value to the right side of greater value, it should be added. Yes, if you know rule 2, we can write rule 3 also. Opposite only. See, if you write a smaller value to the left side of greater value, it should be subtracted. Remember children, if you write smaller value to right side of greater value, it should be added. If you write a smaller value to the left side of the greater value, it should be subtracted. See, rule 3, smaller numeral written to the left side. See, I in IV, I is smaller, V is greater. See, I smaller value written to the left side of the greater value, na? So it should be subtracted. V. Which one is greater? V is greater. 5 minus 1 is 4. Like that, I and X. I is smaller, X is greater. So you should subtract smaller value from greater value. 10 minus 1, 9. In X and L, X is smaller. That means, what is the value of X? 10. Value of L is 50. In 10 and 50, 50 is greater, 10 is smaller. So you should be subtract smaller value from greater value. So answer XL means 40. Now rule 4. See, in rule 2, if you write a smaller value to the right side of greater value, it should be added. If you write a smaller value to the left side of greater value, it should be subtracted. This is rule 2. This is rule 3. In rule 4, if you write a smaller numeral, written between two greater values. Between two greater values. See children, when a smaller numeral written between two greater numerals, then it is always subtracted. It is always subtracted from the greater value, immediately followed it. Immediately, what is immediately followed it? V is immediately greater value. Okay na? If you write the smaller value in between two greater values, it should be subtracted from greater value to the right side of the value. What is the right side of smaller value? V is the right side of smaller value. So it should be subtracted from V only. Now see children, X stands for 10. Next, plus IV. I is smaller na, so it should be subtracted from right side value. V is 5. 10 plus 5 minus 1. 10 plus 5, how much it is? 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. Like that I have written examples also. XIV. See, smaller value na, it is I is smaller. So smaller value is written in between two greater values. So this I should be subtracted from right side of that value. See, observe children, 5 minus 1. 10 plus 5 minus 1. 10 plus 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Like that. In second example, CXL. C means 100. X means 10. L means, L value is 50. 100, 10, 50. In these, in 100, 10, 50, smaller value 10 is written in between 100 and 50 na, that is the smaller value na. So this 10 should be subtracted from right side of that value. So 10 subtracted from 50. 100 plus 50 minus 10. 100 plus 50 minus 10 is 40. So totally 140. Next, third example, CXC. We know already C value 100, 10, X value 10, C value 10. Here X is placed in between two greater values. So this X should be subtracted from right side of that value. What is right side? What is there? C is there, 100 is there. So that 10 should be subtracted from 100. First write as it is this value 100 plus 100 minus 1. 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. 100 plus 90 is 190. Yes, if you like this video, please comment, subscribe, share this video.